the trend is very strong. Okay, the trend is very strong. You can see so many pullbacks happening, only small pullbacks, and everything is getting bought. So the trend is very strong, and as such kind of a trend progresses, usually if you are a trend trader, if you are following traditional technical analysis, this is where you have a lowest confidence in the up move, and that is obviously, I mean, it is understandable. But as it starts to grow, the trend starts to move, a trend trader's confidence goes on increasing. So here you have the lowest confidence, but here your confidence is on the moon. This is exactly what I used to do back in the day. But then I realized, when I understood auction theory states that market goes up to find sellers and market goes down to find buyers. So when the downtrend is happening, I get increasingly skeptical with the trend. The longer the trend progresses, the weaker my confidence gets in that trend. Here the trend is progressing nicely, every pullback is getting bought, pullbacks are becoming smaller and smaller. Instead of increasing my confidence in the up move, my confidence is now decreasing. And I am finding reasons to become more and more skeptical and more conservative. May sound counterintuitive to what you have heard so far, but this is how I have managed to stay out of trouble during most of the unexpected reversals like this or like this or this one or this one. So please understand that this is a kind of a weird way to look at markets, but that is a true way to look at markets. So the stronger the trend becomes, the lower your confidence should be in that trend. Very counterintuitive. Many people will, if I post this publicly, many people will come for my head that what are you teaching? You're teaching all the wrong things. But that is what has helped me in my trading. Now that we are entering an area of indecision or a lot of confusion, I will be very careful. Okay, so just keep that in mind.